I want to show you where this storm is right now and is expected to go in the many worries. So basically, here's where Brooke is. This is Tallahassee state capital. She was reporting from right here. She's right there. And this is the area where the storm is expected to hit at some point later tonight, maybe the next handful of hours or so. But again, this is not just a Florida event because essentially the whole southeast of the United States is on alert tonight. And one of the big issues is going to be storm surge. Again, here's basically where Brooke was, and they are predicting possibly 10 to 20 feet of storm surge. Wakulla County, where she was, there are 8 different counties along this purple line here where they're expecting possibly up to 20 feet storm surge. And even when you get into sort of the Clearwater area, that's the greater Tampa area, you're still talking about 5 to 8 feet of storm surge. Let me show you where this is expected to head. Hurricane Helene is expected to head in the upcoming days. So it'll move through Florida. Still a big problem for Georgia. They're going to feel it in Alabama, parts of Georgia, even North Carolina into Tennessee. And I mentioned the storm surge. Once it moves inland, storm surge won't necessarily be the big issue going north, but there is going to be flooding. They think in Asheville, North Carolina, for example, when the storm gets in over here, let's show the next graphic, the flooding that is going to take place throughout parts of this country. Look at this. Moderate flooding, the purple high flooding. You can get into western North Carolina here in the upcoming 48 hours, and they think this might be one of the biggest flooding events that area, Asheville, has ever seen. So one of the big questions here as we continue to watch this, what is the flooding going to be? What is the storm surge going to be? And how many people are going to try to ride this out? Thank you for watching, and make sure you go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.